Good morning, good afternoon, good night, and good evening. Welcome to my channel, CryptoCracks. My name is Wiki. Every day on this channel, I give you all the updates, news, and analysis, and whatever is going on in the crypto world. If you like crypto and you like to make money within crypto, you are in the right place. So guys, today's video, I want to give you some exclusive news. These are the kind of news you don't get just anywhere. You will only find it at exclusive places, and one of them is definitely CryptoCracks, because here we do things differently. We just don't go the traditional way of giving you all the updates about crypto. We go a bit more tricky. So I would like to give you in this video one homework and one special news about Bitcoin and about the crypto market in general, which will calm you down as well and will also make you understand what is happening in the Bitcoin market, why markets are down, and in the long-term future, what does it hold for crypto and Bitcoin in particular. So you must have noticed lately China and Elon Musk have been manipulating the prices. It's more like simultaneous effect. Elon Musk first embraced Bitcoin for Tesla and other purposes, and then after a month or two later, he dumps the whole concept by saying, oh, Bitcoin is not environmentally friendly. Now guys, after exactly 1 month, China bans all the crypto mining exchange and then deflate the price of Bitcoin down again. Why? And a lot of people are thinking, wow, Elon Musk is such an important guy that his one tweet have crashed the whole crypto market and then blah, blah, blah. Nothing is so coincidental, guys. And these people do not have that much power when it comes to crypto, because crypto is not run by the same old manipulators, institutions, and the so-called shadow governments or the shadow people. Bitcoin crypto is by the people for the people. That's what the whole concept behind crypto is, especially when it comes to DeFi. So what's happening right now is Tesla's sales, Tesla, the car company owned by Elon, has been struggling the most to take off. And Tesla's plan of success globally relies on heavily on China. It's a fact. You know why? Last year, China made almost 60% of global electric cars in the world. USA, guess how much did USA made? Only 20%. So you can imagine how big the Chinese market is when it comes to electric cars and how quickly they can transition into the electric models and manufacturing, mainly because they have cheap labor, hard-working economy, and at the same time their economy in general is pretty well. And the population itself appreciates the manufacturing industry in general. Anything they launch can go big because the population is so high, simply because it's the most heavily populated country in the world, and they are quite hardworking people. You must understand that. Chinese people, they know how to work hard. Guys, you need to understand, that's why the whole world is behind the manufacturing process in the world. Why do you think everything is made in China? My shirt, my hat, except for my skin, everything right now is made in China. I'm sure this wood and this table I'm sitting in right now came from China as well. And who benefits when Bitcoin goes into this theory about economical friendly, Bitcoin has to be the future? You know why? All the equipment which will be made to mine Bitcoin environmentally friendly, like the solar panels, the hydropower, all that machinery, all that product specifications and tools are actually going to be made in China. So no matter where you're going to be mining your Bitcoin, everything you're going to be buying from China. And at the same time, China is happy to take the mining away from the country because they have made the money. And you know China, when I'm talking about China, I'm talking about the Communist Party of China. That's the main, it's not the Chinese people. You have to understand, this is the government which has been running China for many years, and they control the game. And they have made a deal with Elon Musk that they will censor any Tesla review online, any bad comments, any bad news about Tesla from the Chinese social media, they will ban it. This is the deal between Elon Musk, and this is the deal between CCP, the Chinese ruling party government. At the same time, Tesla was the only company which was allowed to open their own factory in China without having to have a Chinese ownership as a partner, which means that Elon Musk can own 100% of that company. And this is the first time it ever happened that some company, especially from the USA, got that sort of reliability or that sort of special treatment. So Elon Musk and Bitcoin, Elon Musk, China, they're all together and they are all manipulating us, including a few more other of their friends, so that you can be losing money. And so far you can see Bitcoin price has been stuck above 31k is because of the retail investors and the big other billionaires who really believe in Bitcoin, and countries like El Salvador and any other countries from Latin America and any other different countries from different continent of the world is keeping that price to that level. Now there is a big conference on the 21st, which is just in 3 days time. It's basically teaching billionaires and millionaires on how to invest into Bitcoin specifically. So that is not just an expo for normal retail buyers like me and you and others. It's actually telling all the rich people on how to get into the crypto market. That should bring a big game and a big gain in the crypto market. So just these two things I wanna give you a shout. And also just the homework which I mentioned before, Google or research cyberpunk from 1980s. There's an article by a group called Cyberpunk. Now this was the group in the 1980s who were ahead of their game, but they were waiting for the right technology. And they made this article where they have exactly predicted where the world will go with every single transition of technology, and cryptocurrency was actually a discussion point in the 1980s. This is when I start believing in crypto. I would like to first, you guys have a research on that article. If you can find that article, you will be enlightened. If not, soon I will be sharing a lot more news about cyberpunk in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Adios.